Okay, I'm having issues with my pressure switch. Just trying to get some help with diagnosing the problem. I've got the water turned on, and you can see it should be kicking on here any moment. But what I get is when the pressure switch turns the pump on, there'll be a rapid rise in pressure. It'll shoot up to 60 and then turn the pump off, and then immediately settle down to about 42 to 45 psi's. So we're just waiting for the pump to kick on, which should be any moment here. Here we go. So it's starting to rise. You can hear a sound, then you'll see it immediately jump to 60, disengage the pump, and then settle back down to about 45. So instead of charging it completely and then stopping at 60 and then giving me the whole 20 pounds, I'll get a rapid rise, and I'll hear it at the sinks when I turn it on, and you'll kind of feel it. So I'm not getting a full charge. Just trying to diagnose, is it the switch? Do I have a leak in the pressure tank? Everything looks to be good. There's no rust, no corrosion. The Schrader valve looks good. I know it's not the brightest in here. This is just some unfinished plumbing. Going up will go to the irrigation system. And I ran some PEX in here because I had some corroded galvanized. I've bypassed the filter, sediment filter, so it shouldn't be because of the filter being clogged. I've completely bypassed that, and as you can see here. And any info would be helpful. Thanks a lot, guys.